Did you even hit it?
Yes, I did.
Little dot is what one pump did. This gun can do 10 pumps, so we're gonna go through all 10 pumps. Are you ready? Oh, you can see that! No way! That was 2 pumps, this is 3 pumps. The second one did like a wire damage, but that one went deeper.
Has it hurt the
1, 2, 3, 4. So the more pumps, the deeper it goes into the hole. Oh, guys! Okay, so that one did a lot of wide damage too. We are halfway done with 5. We're jumping to 10 pumps. Ready for this? No. Thank you. There was no BBs in it. Okay, we're back. Okay. Okay, so that was technically 6, and now we're doing a pellet gun. Yeah. Now. You got like right in the middle of the screen.
Can I hold it? Oh, I'll be the one.
See that? Now.
It went. Where did it go? I think it's right there. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Since the case is on here so good, I think what we should do is Davey should run up top of the mountain house on the 3rd floor. Me and Amos should go to the bottom floor and he can drop it.
Okay, guys, we're going 3rd story. We're gonna drop this sucker. Haha. 3rd story. Time to drop this sucker.
Oh! No, the whole screen is cracked. The back is. Oh, that did. Look. The pellets did go like
The pellets went all the way through. Well, not really. They hit the back of the glass.
Yeah.
Hey guys, you go back. Holy. Ow. That's actually pretty shattered.
Drop it on the corner.
That's what I'm doing. It did! He laid on the corner! Crap!
Sometimes you get really mad at your phone. Can an iPhone take it? No!
No way!
We managed to get it apart. Because we didn't know how to take one apart, so we're just kind of winging it here. Now, if you look, this is what's inside of your iPhone. Let's see here. This is what the back of it looks like. I think we dented the batteries, guys.
Yeah, that's what you hit. That's why I didn't go through.
No, it didn't go through the screen. The screens are bulletproof. So, if anybody's ever shooting you a pellet gun, hold your phone up. It'll protect you. It'll just cost you $1,000.
That's the pellet right there.
What does all this do?
Technology.
If you're one of those people and you like home buttons, we got a home button for sale. You can call it and get us, and you can glue it to your iPhone 11 or whatever.
David cleaned that up. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe if you're new. 150 subscribers, I'm gonna pie David in my face in the face personally because I want to. So subscribe if you want to see that happen. Let's get 10 likes. I'm trying to think of something else to say, but I don't have anything else to say. Bye.
It's in safety.
So bye guys, thanks so much. So bye guys.